Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Munyu Soliha. In my opinion about are exam the best way to effort student. So, exam are a good way to check how students are doing, but they are not the only way. Exam can show if student understand the material and can apply it, but they have limitation. For example, exam only show how student perform in a specific situation, not in real life situation. Mm, Exam can also make student focus too much on getting good grades instead of learning. I think school should us different ways to effort student, like project, discussion, and presentation. That way, students can show what they are good at in different areas. Exam can still be useful if we use it wisely and not rely on too much. Uh, Teachers should look at different things when evaluating students so they can help them reach their full potential. Maybe that's my opinion. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.